No one says you can't 变出什么花样 with small homes. It's all a matter of your imagination.
Hello, hi. My name is Pixie. This is my husband, Dennis. So we are the Lim family. There's 4 of us living in this house. In terms of color for the new house, we're actually looking for something that's soothing, comfortable. So anything that's white or anything that's wood. But we know that it can turn out very bland. So maybe an accent of orange, teal color, a very bold color that we've never used will be a very nice touch. He's the one who decided that we want to go for Scandi.
So when I heard Scandi, right, it was like 晴天霹雳 because I'm very wary of Scandi. It can be very boring, very predictable. After speaking to the clients, and they turned out to be very fun people, very bold, adventurous, and more chincai. So I thought, okay, we can go all out already this time. Do something different. Scandi with a little bit of quirk. That's why the design came out very different from the usual Scandi, although we still remain the essence of Scandi.
When we were telling Carmen of what we want, I remembered the word that we used with her was 亮点. Something in the house that becomes a talking point whenever we have visitors coming. A feature that we can talk about in the space, in every room, corner that she is designing.
The concept that I proposed for this house, right, is actually a house within a house, because I feel for a family unit, right, the family itself is the essence of everything. A home is nothing without a family. I tried to incorporate a lot of house-shaped stuff inside this house and make it more like a village style in terms of the concept. This is expressed differently at different parts of the house.
When we received our keys, and then we look at the space, the first thing I was shit. We recalled what Carmen has designed for us in her visual. Wow, this house structure, whether it can fit in this small little space or not.
I was worried that it will turn out very cramped because I'm jam-packing a lot of details inside. I need the house to still look spacious after incorporating this whole house frame inside. More importantly is to incorporate clients' hobbies and interests into the design so that it's personalized. Once you go in, right, it's a conversational piece that people can talk about. Instead of buying lots of stuff off the rack, right, one way to make the house interesting is to 增 things, customize features everywhere to make it creative and unique. My role as a designer is to make sure that I gel everything seamlessly through use of stickers and graphics, colors, use of shapes put together to make it look as though we intend for it to be like that. Make something that's seemingly different look cohesive, make fun design functional, and also make functional stuff fun. So it all depends on how much the owners trust the designer to come up with something. Also, the designer's ability to dream big.